Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Now in today's tutorial video, I will show you how to create an SMS opt-in campaign. So whether you're selling something or whether you have an opt-in and you wanna send that opt-in or send that freebie from the opt-in via SMS, this is what we're going to go over today. Now, first of all, for this, you will need access to GoHighLevel. So we have a 30-day free access for everyone that is watching this video. So make sure to click the first link down below to get a full 30-day access via our free trial link. Now let's get started. So the first thing that you need an opt-in. So what we want to do is we want to go to sites here. And basically here we have free teeth whitening. So this is our opt-in right here. We can click on that. Now, obviously, as you can see, this is, our, funnel. Now for you, you might be having something different for the opt-in. Again, this can be like a free lead magnet or pretty much anything else like that. So what you want to do is you want to go and click on that offer. So let's say this is our offer, this is our freebie. What we can do is we can click here, click copy link, click done. Now once that is done, what we need to do is we need to create a trigger link for that specific freebie or for that specific lead magnet. Because within the trigger link, we'll put the link, and then once we do the automations will, based on the trigger link and based on who opts in, will send an SMS campaign. So let's first go and let's go to the marketing section here. Here you have trigger links, just go to the links. And then what you want to do is you want to add another link, which is going to be right here. This is going to be trigger for freebie opt-in. That's what I'm going to be naming this. So let's hit save here. Now, once this is saved, this is how it's going to look like right here. There's not much we can do right here other than going to automation. And within the automation, what we want to do is we want to create a workflow. Now, we want to select a recipe because we're going to be starting from a recipe. So let's click select a recipe. Obviously, what we can do is we can just start from scratch here because we don't have actually the recipe for this particular thing. Now, once we reach right here, this is now the most interesting and the most important part of this, pretty much whole video. So the first thing we're doing right here is going to the new workflow, and we want to change the workflow name to the SMS Optin freebie. And now what I want to do is I obviously want to add a new trigger. A trigger will be customer replied. Now, customer replied, what we can do is add a filter here. The filter will be, let's just go here, reply channel. So I like to just go and type the reply channel just to be sure, which is going to be SMS. Obviously, this is just if you're doing SMS. If you're doing something else, it will be something else right here based on the thing that you're doing, right? It could be Instagram DM, Facebook Messenger, email, whatever. So we're just put the SMS right here. So from here, what you want to do is you want to add another filter, and this is going to be, you can either go with a contains phrase or you can go to exact match phrase. So I like to go contains phrase and then what phrase it is within the opt-in. So for example, if this is freebie, you can go and just type in freebie or whatever it is within the, so let's just go like this. I think I need to do it like this. Yeah. And basically whatever phrase it is within your opt-in, you can put it right here. You can save the trigger. The next trigger that we're going to be going to is SMS. So send SMS. Now from here, all you have to do is just enter what they are getting. So you can just type in something simply, thanks for submitting, or thanks for joining our free lead magnet or whatever. You can put whatever. You can download it right here, for example. And then you have a link, you can put a link. So that's something that you can do. You can also do here, hey, and then if you have a name, you can put user and then like a first name, right? That's something that you can do. So obviously that's just a personalized way of doing it, but you can just put that and then you just hit save action. Now, that's basically what you need to do for these two. So also one thing that I haven't mentioned is it's very important. You have to go into the SMS and you want to go here and you will have a custom value. So actually right here, it needs to be a trigger link somewhere. So let me just go and let me go here. Yeah, this is the trigger link. So it needs to be trigger freebie opt-in. So it needs to be your trigger link basically right here. So once that is done, you can just save the action, and you can obviously publish this workflow right here as well. So this will be published right now. So once this is published, we can go over to the next one. Now, this would be pretty much it if we just want to do an SMS opt-in automation. However, what you can do is you can also add a follow-up. So if they didn't click a link within that SMS right here, then you would follow up with them. Now, basically what you can do is you can just add here wait. So we can put wait, and then we can put a time delay of, for example, 1 day. This could be it, right? This could be pretty much the time delay. Next up, so once we wait for the 1 day, what we can do is we can put an if or else condition, and this would be right here, workflow trigger is, and then customer replied. We can do that, or what we can do is we can do another one, which is this one. And one thing I haven't mentioned is before doing this, let's just go and let's cancel it. We go to the wait, and we want to go here and type in trigger link click, and then select the trigger link right here, and then 1 day. So that's something that we have to do because otherwise it will not work. Next thing we want to do if else. So that's the next thing we want to do. So we basically want to go here, and let me just find the workflow trigger. I think the workflow trigger is, yeah, so we need to change this. Let me just go back and find it. So basically we want to go here and go to the events. So if we go back to all actions here, we want to go and find events. Now once we find events, trigger link clicked is, and then we want to trigger freebie opt-in. We just save this action. So right now, obviously, if the trigger link is clicked, we can go and that's it. The follow-up is done because we don't have to follow up. If the trigger link is not clicked, what we can do is, we can just go and we can follow up with them via SMS. I will show you in a second how you can do that. So all you have to do is you can go here, and so basically what I did, went here, and here you can put SMS, and then you can just say something like, hey, I saw that you haven't yet clicked on the freebie. Obviously make these messages better than what I'm typing right here, and then yeah, that's save action. So basically how it goes, once the customer replies, you will send the SMS, you will wait for 1 day. If they are not clicking, you will send another SMS. If they click, that's it, that's the end of the automation. So that's pretty much how you can create an SMS opt-in campaign using GoHighLevel. Now, obviously for this, you will need access to GoHighLevel, so definitely check out our 30-day free access on GoHighLevel with our link down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.